Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1335, and today's topic is fatty liver. And if I say fatty liver, means it is related to your metabolic syndrome. So here the title is fatty liver is just like hidden bomb or hidden terrorist inside your body, and your body is at high risk. I have seen, and even I delivered one lecture on fatty liver, but still people, they are not very much aware. Most of them are ignorant, and even they don't think of getting fatty liver test, because once anybody who is having fatty liver is a very dangerous issue, and you are getting fatty liver means lot of extra fat is deposited on your liver, and that getting fatty liver, nowadays people are saying of two condition of fatty liver. One is called alcoholic fatty liver, other one is called non-alcoholic fatty liver. In both condition there is extra fat deposit in your liver, and this fatty liver clearly indicates that you have the problem of, that is called metabolic syndrome. It's called metabolic syndrome. And this metabolic syndrome, when I am saying, is having big meaning in the sense that it includes your lifestyle, your gut, your sleep, exercise, and overeating. Also, deposit of fat to your belly, that is called abdominal obesity. In India we call it tone. All these factors together is called metabolic syndrome. And anybody who is having metabolic syndrome, definitely his or her liver will be fatty. The reason is that metabolic syndrome means whatever food you are eating in the form of fat, carbohydrate or protein, vitamin, mineral, if it is, I can say, refined one or junk food or overeating, means whatever energy your body requires to burn and to keep you moving and working. Apart from that, you have extra calories. Once you are getting extra calories, which is not utilized in the form of energy, then definitely now your liver will come in action, and it will be deposited in your liver. And your liver is the powerhouse of your fat, conversion of your sugar into glycogen energy, and also it is responsible of releasing bile acid. And bile acid plays very important role to keep your digestive system, your gut healthy. So if you have fatty liver because of metabolic syndrome, where you are very careless, your whole system will be in problem. That's why I have written, it's just like hidden atomic bomb, and you will be suffering from diabetes, you will be suffering from high blood pressure, you will be suffering from heart problem, stroke, lot of things are related. The reason is that those extra calories which are deposited and your liver became fatty, your liver activity, action to clear toxins will be reduced, your liver's function to release more and more bile acid so that your food are digested properly will be reduced. You will be having indigestion, bloating, butterfly movement in your stomach. And because of all these reasons, you will feel less energy, you will feel dull, and also you will feel irritated. And in the long run, if these conditions are not taken care, internally you are going to face lot of different type of health condition, health issues. That's why whenever you are going for any test, please include one test once you are above 40 or 50. But nowadays, statistical data, I was going through research publications, I found that in India, children who are just teenage, 17, 18, they have fatty liver. They have abdominal obesity. And in urban cities, 50% of youth, they are having metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome means they have extra fat deposit in their belly. They are suffering from abdominal obesity. And anybody who is suffering from obesity or abdominal obesity, 100% he is having some deposit of fat in their liver. And once there is deposition of fat in the liver, means they are having fatty liver. Their all problem will be there. They will suffer from diabetes, even they will suffer from thyroid condition, bile acid condition, stroke, even they will lose their memory also. Cognitive problem will be there because your liver, function and brain, they are linked. Your emotion is directly linked to your metabolic syndrome. So all these factors together is very, very important. And my request to all of you, don't take it lightly. Once you feel irritated, you feel that you have less energy, or sometimes you are confused, sometimes your memory is not sharp, such type of things personally if you are feeling, no harm in going and getting test for your fatty liver. And if you have fatty liver, in the long run, if you are not taking care, it may turn into liver cirrhosis. That liver cirrhosis means inflammation of your liver. And finally, your whole liver will be damaged. Only then solution is to go for transplantation of liver. So before reaching to that stage, if it is identified on the basis of test, they have a specific test that you have this percentage of fatty liver, then by taking preventive measure means your lifestyle, your diet, stop deep fried and junk food, stop bakery product, stop sugary material, automatically your liver will be recovered from fatty liver to non-fatty liver. You can see here in the image, there are three types of liver. One liver is very normal, healthy liver. And the second one, where there is deposition of fat and it is yellowish in color, it means your liver became fatty. And once precautionary step is not taken, then you might have seen the last one that is totally damaged, and it is called cirrhosis of liver. Liver cirrhosis means all is converted into fat and there is chronic inflammation. It means your liver is dead and there is no any treatment except to go for transplant. Here you can see the health problem which is related to your metabolic syndrome. So if doctors, they say you are suffering from metabolic syndrome, means in your body extra calories are going and all are not converted into energy, and once extra sugar, carbohydrate, fat is floating in your body, then you may have obesity. Second, you may have that is diabetes, extra sugar, then hypertension, high blood pressure, heart problem, thyroid problem, hormonal problem, they are all associated with your metabolic syndrome. So here what I have discussed is given in the form of writing, because I love to write, I love to read, and that's why I wish that those who are watching my lecture, they should copy down, because every day, especially the students, should have the habit of reading and writing. So I have given in a very simple way how metabolic syndrome is related to your alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver, and how that fatty liver is having serious health issues related to less release of bile acids, and that is going to destroy your gut health. So here, what is that is metabolic syndrome? What do you mean by it? It is called metabolic syndrome because it is related how your body use your energy. Simple. Metabolic syndrome means whatever you are eating, if it is overeating, means extra calories are going to your body, and once there is extra calorie, means your metabolic syndrome is disturbed. Extra calorie, extra fat, extra sugar, extra carbohydrate, they are going to be processed and deposited in your liver. That is the meaning of metabolic syndrome. Energy, your body metabolism is just like car engine that burns the fuel to get energy. In the same way, all these fat, carbohydrate, sugar, they are in the form of biological energy and they are burned so that your body is getting enough energy. But if it is in excess, your body doesn't require, then it will be deposited, and depositing store is your liver. It can cause health problem. After years of metabolic syndrome, we may get fatty liver, diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid, cholesterol, that is bad cholesterol. And today, according to statistical data, even 18-year-old teenage get fatty liver because of their obesity. They take lot of extra calories. And in urban population, it's very much surprising because now our eating habit is drastically changed. It became sugary. We consume lot of carbohydrate and sugar and any vegetable carbohydrate. Finally, the end product is glucose. If you are taking meat, then your end product will be amino acid. So here, according to latest survey, 50% of urban population are having metabolic syndrome, means fatty liver. Number 2, prevention of metabolic syndrome. How we can prevent? By changing our lifestyle. Number 1 is eat balanced and healthy diet. Don't go and take any rubbish. Just take whatever is required for your body, some fruit, some meat, some fat, and it should be balanced. Number 2, exercise. Exercise is very important. And if you cannot do anything, if you cannot change your attitude, even inside your room, inside your house, you can walk, you can move. That is also walking. Walking is very, very important. That's why we are known as animal of two legs. And these two legs are given not to lie down always, to walk at least few kilometers. So exercise is very important to avoid metabolic syndrome, that is fatty acid. Then get enough sleep. If you are not getting enough good sleep, you will get fatty liver. If you are not getting enough sleep, it means you are suffering from metabolic syndrome. Your all gut and digestive system are not working properly. You are always having bloating, constipation, and loose motion, so many things. And that is related to your different type of disease like heart attack, stroke, diabetes, thyroid problem, blood pressure problem, hypertension. All these things are related to your metabolic syndrome. Then if you are smoking, please immediately stop it. And secondly, if you are taking alcohol, wine, stop it. These two are the killer of your liver. Then number 3, that is very important. There is connection of your mind and body. And here you should not have any confusion. Mind and brain is different. Your brain is 60% fatty protein mass. That is your 2% of your body weight in the form of fatty protein, spongy mass. That is different. Mind is whatever you are thinking. What is going on in the form of electromagnetic radiation, electrical impulses. That is your mind. So your mind and your body, metabolic syndrome, fatty liver, they are directly linked. That is called your emotion. So control your emotion. If you are controlling your emotion, you will be controlling your oxidative stress. I am going to deliver one lecture on that mind and body relation in emotion. And in that case, you will escape fatty liver and metabolic syndrome. Oxidative stress means you have lot of free radicals produced. It's because of your mental. So keep your brain okay, but after that, your mental thinking, your emotion is killing you. It's giving you fatty liver, is giving you heart attack, is giving you diabetic condition, high blood pressure. So keep positive emotion. Keep away from greed. Inna Allah Mahasavreen. Whatever Allah has given out of your skill and hard work, be happy with that. Don't compare with lot of useless people. Keep good life, good thinking, helping nature, and also you should have some sympathy, empathy for other people. That is very important factor to keep your body good, free of metabolic syndrome, and to protect you from fatty liver. So here I have given you sadness, oxidative stress can damage your liver. Mental tension and stress can reduce the function of your liver, and it will reduce the clearance of toxin. Bile acid will not be produced enough because your liver will produce less amount of bile acid, and that bile acid which is very important for our digestion and gut health. If more toxins are there, then you will feel always bloating, constipation, irritated, bad mood. That is related to your fatty liver and bile acid. So if you are taking care of metabolic syndrome, you are following all these factors, then definitely you are taking care of your liver and you will not be having fatty liver. And in the last but not least, please, if you have any such type of syndrome, any such type of signal of dull, less energy, irritated mood and all this, better go and get test whether you have fatty liver or not. It's very, very important. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.